In the azure depths of the Caribbean Sea, off the coast of Cuba, a story began over 4 centuries ago. A tale that would intertwine faith, folklore, and the Cuban spirit, all embodied in one figure, the Virgen de la Caridad del Cobre. In the year 1612, 3 humble laborers, Juan and Rodrigo de Hoyos, together with a 10-year-old slave named Juan Moreno, ventured out into the Bay of Nipe to gather salt. As they paddled their canoe through the turbulent waves, they noticed a small, white bundle floating towards them. As the bundle drew closer, they realized it was a statue of a lady, standing serenely on a silver plank inscribed with the words, "I am the Virgin of Charity." The discovery of the statue sparked a wave of devotion across the island. The Virgen de la Caridad del Cobre, also known as Our Lady of Charity, became a beacon of hope and faith for the Cuban people. The statue was initially housed in a humble chapel, but as reverence for the Virgin grew, a more substantial sanctuary was built in her honor in 1622. Over the centuries, the Virgin of Charity has not only been a spiritual figure, but also a symbol of national identity and unity. She has been there in times of struggle and triumph, embodying the resilience and spirit of the Cuban people. During the War of Independence in the late 19th century, freedom fighters carried her image into battle as a symbol of hope and liberation. She was there during the Cuban Revolution, and even in the face of political changes and challenges, her significance remained unswerving. In 1912, Pope Benedict XV declared the Virgin of Charity as the patroness of Cuba, further cementing her place in the nation's heart. The Virgin's influence transcends religious boundaries. She is revered not only by Catholics but also by followers of Santeria, a syncretic religion combining elements of Yoruba, Spanish, and indigenous traditions. In Santeria, she is identified as Ochun, the goddess of love and maternity, reflecting the Virgin's universal appeal. Today, the sanctuary of Our Lady of Charity in the town of El Cobre remains a site of pilgrimage for devotees from all walks of life. Every year, on September 8th, thousands gather to celebrate the feast day of the Virgin of Charity, demonstrating the enduring faith and devotion inspired by this revered figure. To summarize, the Virgen de la Caridad del Cobre is more than just a religious icon. Her story, beginning with a miraculous discovery in the Caribbean Sea, has become an integral part of the Cuban cultural fabric. Her influence has permeated various aspects of Cuban life, from the spiritual to the nationalistic. She has been a symbol of hope in times of strife, a beacon of resilience, and a unifying figure amidst diversity. The Virgin of Charity truly embodies the spirit and heart of Cuba, a testament to the enduring faith and resilience of its people.